Welcome to Chandu's Kitchen. Hi viewers, today let us see how to prepare cheese garlic toast. If you're coming here for the first time, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Ingredients: bread slices, unsalted butter, 4 cheese cubes, some garlic cloves, some chili flakes and oregano, finely chopped coriander, 1 cup of boiled sweet corn, salt to taste. Now let us finely chop some garlic cloves. Either you can chop the garlic cloves as finely as possible, or you can grate them as well. Garlics have a distinct flavor which goes well with breads. Now let us add the finely chopped garlic cloves to butter. Since I am using an unsalted butter, I'm adding a bit of salt to taste, adding finely chopped coriander leaves and mix them well. Mix the salt thoroughly with butter. Now let's start applying on the bread slice. Now let us apply the garlic spread on the other side of the bread. Apply the garlic spread evenly on the bread slice and make sure you cover the bread slice completely. Similarly, apply the garlic spread to all the remaining bread slices. Now let us switch on the stove. Grease the pan with some cooking oil. Place the bread slices on the frying pan. Now gently flip the bread toast. Ensure the stove remains on a low flame throughout the cooking process. Now let us grate some cheese on the bread toast. There are many varieties of cheese available in the market, and you may use whichever you prefer. Now let us add some boiled sweet corns and distribute them evenly on the toast. Add a second layer of grated cheese to give a great taste. Now let us add some seasonings. I am sprinkling some oregano and it's optional. Now let us sprinkle some chili flakes to get some spicy flavor and cover the frying pan with a lid. After 1 minute, let us open the lid. Now the toast is ready, loaded with garlic corn and melted cheese. Now our delicious cheese garlic toast is ready. Hope you will try this recipe and post your experience in the comment section. Also like this video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching and for your continued support, and also check out my other videos.